Welcome to JavaScript programming. This is the first video of JavaScript programming. So here you can see on the screen what is JavaScript and key characteristics of JavaScript. But I'll try to explain it in simple way. JavaScript is a programming language which will be executing inside the web browser. So if you want to build web application, interactive web application, you need HTML, CSS and also JavaScript. Okay, if you build web application with HTML and CSS, it will look beautiful, but it will not be interactive. So if you want to build interactive websites, you definitely need JavaScript. In every web browser, there will be a JavaScript engine. So that JavaScript engine is responsible for executing the JavaScript programming. Here you can see, so using JavaScript, we can build client-side scripting. So JavaScript is most commonly executed on the client side. That means user's web browser. So it interacts with HTML and CSS to manipulate web page content and respond to user actions. Okay, so we can use JavaScript to build client-side applications, and also we can use JavaScript to build server-side applications like building APIs and so on. So here you can see, so using Node.js, so we can build backend APIs also using the JavaScript. As we have discussed already, we can build dynamic and interactive web pages. So JavaScript runs on any operating system. Okay, so here you can see cross-platform compatibility. JavaScript is designed to be cross-platform, so meaning it can run on various operating systems and devices. So asynchronous programming. These days JavaScript is getting added with a lot of advanced features. One of them is asynchronous programming. So to implement this asynchronous programming, we can use promises and observables and async awaits like that. Okay, we'll see this. So versatility. Beyond web development, JavaScript also used in other domains including mobile app development, so React Native. So these days, so there are many JavaScript libraries came. So to understand those JavaScript libraries or frameworks like React and Angular, so we definitely need to learn JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript became essential for web developers. Okay, so this is the introduction about JavaScript. In the next video, let us look at the JavaScript versions.